there, fellow gardeners! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a special journey through my Zone 8 garden. Are you ready to see what's blooming this season? Stick around because I've got some real stunners to show you, and I guarantee you'll leave with a ton of inspiration for your own garden. Zone 8 is known for its long growing season, and let me tell you, it does not disappoint. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive into this floral paradise. First up, we've got these gorgeous roses. Just look at how vibrant and full they are. These beauties have been stealing the show all season long. I like to plant them near my walkway so that every time I step outside, I'm greeted by their sweet scent. If you're in Zone 8, roses are an absolute must-have. They thrive in our mild winters and love the sunny days. And here are my Foxgloves talk about making a statement. These tall, elegant spikes add height and drama to the garden. They're perfect for the back of a border where they can tower above everything else. Plus, they're a magnet for bees and butterflies, so you're not just growing a garden, you're supporting local wildlife too. Speaking of bees, let's move over to the lavender patch. If you want to attract pollinators, lavender is your best friend. It's drought tolerant, smells amazing, and the purple blooms look fantastic all season long. I like to use it as an edging plant. Nothing beats brushing past it and catching a whiff of that soothing scent. Next up, one of my personal favorites, coneflowers. These hardy perennials are as tough as they are beautiful. They come in so many colors, and the best part? They just keep coming back year after year. If you're looking for something low maintenance but high impact, coneflowers are the way to go. But it's not just about the flowers. Let's not forget about the lush greenery that really makes the blooms pop. My hostas are thriving this year with their big, bold leaves creating the perfect backdrop for all the colorful flowers. And don't even get me started on my ferns. They add such a cool, forest-like vibe to the garden. So what do you think? Ready to add some of these beauties to your own Zone 8 garden? Whether you've got a green thumb or you're just starting out, there's always something new to discover in the garden. Remember, gardening is all about experimenting, so don't be afraid to try something new and see what works for you. Thanks so much for joining me on this garden tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tours. Let me know in the comments what's blooming in your garden right now. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy gardening!